So here I have a cylinder face as well as a plane that is offset outside the object. Now let's say I want to add some text to the face of the part here, but I don't want it to be projected straight on. So I'm going to get my top view here. If I draw on this plane and I project my text straight on, it's going to be extremely distorted the further away from the center you go. You want it to be wrapped around so all the letters are facing the center as opposed to facing straight normal away from the sketch plane. So to do this, first let's just create some text on this plane. We're going to open up a sketch, normal 2. To create text, you have to have something for the text to be located about. I'm just going to add a center line from this side to this side. Select our text button. Line 1, I already had it selected, so it's going to be the curve in which we put our text on. Let's create the word SolidWorks. Normally it'll start over here to the left. You click center. Uncheck use document font. We want to change the font. Let's go with, I guess, 1 inch tall. Make it bold. You can go through all your fonts. We'll just go with whatever's there. There is our font. Let's actually make this a little bigger. Let's go with nope, that didn't fit. There we go. Now I'm going to close this sketch. We have this pretty much maxed out as far as how wide it'll go. If I go to my top view, you can see that this is the end of the letter, and it is just barely going to touch the part, but it's going to be extremely distorted if I project it. The way around this is to use your wrap command. Click on the sketch that has the text, click on wrap. You want to emboss or deboss, whichever. Select the face. This cylinder face is what you want to put the text on. Now notice, instead of going straight back to the part, it takes the center and wraps it around so that they're all facing the center of the curved face, which keeps all your proportions. Your depth, well, whichever you want, just set it whatever. We're going to go in, so click OK and see what happens. It cut out the words into the part while still maintaining the correct proportions. See if we have any options. We can emboss, coming out using that same sketch. It's pretty neat. You can change all your fonts, of course, but that is first off how you add sketch or add text to a sketch, as well as adding words to a cylinder face.